So let us continue right from our last episode. So here, from the last episode, if you watched, we derived tan to be equal to the sine divided by cos. Then we said tan is opposite with the cotangent. Then all this is the right side, so it is cosecant. Then remaining with the secant. So let us see. Let me use an arrow. Show you. So this one. So for you to get this sine of an angle, say sine of theta equals to the tangent of that angle multiplied by the cos of that angle. Then the next one, the tan of theta is given by sine multiplied by the secant. So it is sine of theta multiplied by secant of theta. Then secant of theta is given by tan multiplied by the cosecant. The tan of that angle multiplied by the cosecant of the very angle. Next is the cosecant of theta given by the cotangent of theta multiplied by the secant of theta. Then the cot of theta is given by the cos, then multiplied by the cosecant of theta. The next identity is cosine. Cosine of theta is given by the sine multiplied by the cotangent. Then lastly, that marks the end of that formula. Let me use another figure to derive the same. So here is tan, then is given by sine divided by cos, tan opposite with cot. Then all this is the right side, remaining with secant. So let me use the arrows so that I can use the arrows to give me the formula that I want. So from here, tan is given by the reciprocal of the opposite identity, which is the cotangent. So tan of theta is given by the reciprocal of the opposite identity. So 1 over cotangent of theta. Then secant of theta given by reciprocal of cosine reciprocal of cos theta. Then cosecant of theta is given by reciprocal of where the arrow is facing, so it is sine of theta. Then assume the arrows are facing downwards, so these ones assume that they are not there. So from this from here, the sine of theta is given by the opposite identity, reciprocal of the opposite identity, sorry. So it is 1 over the cosecant of theta. Then cosine of theta given by the reciprocal of secant theta, 1 over sec theta. Then lastly, cot of theta is given by 1 over the tan of theta. So simple.